Hello dear students, I welcome you to today's class. As you all know, we are doing chapter 5. Women can change the world, and certain points that we have done in the chapter. It has made it very clear that if women want, they can do wonders. Got it? So certain examples that we have discussed, in that we have discussed about एक तो हमने लक्ष्मी लाकड़ा का बात किया. Got it? Remember, engine driver, she is the first engine driver ever, and she belongs to a tribal family. But look at the efforts that she has taken and changed her own life as well as her family's life. Got it? So if women want, women can change the complete system. Complete institutions can be changed. एक तो एग्जाम्पल हमने लक्ष्मी लाकड़ा का बात किया. द अदर एग्जाम्पल दैट वी हैव टू टॉक, वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इज रमाबाई, पंडिता रमाबाई. Got it? And Pandita Ramabai, she was shown with her daughter, and she championed the cause of women's education. Lot of effort she has put in for women's education. She really wanted that women should get educated, and she was such an educated. She was from a very uneducated family, but she had studied on her own. अपने से उन्होंने पढ़ाई की, and she was given the title of Pandita. Got it? She got the title of Pandita because she could read and write Sanskrit. सब लोग उस समय, because it was the olden times, it was the ancient times. We are talking about 1922, 1858 से 1922. तो हम 1858 की बात कर रहे हैं. 1922 तक she was alive. At that time, getting education for the women was a very tough task. People can only, people did not think also. वो सोचते भी नहीं थे कि गर्ल्स को एजुकेशन दिलाना है. गर्ल्स हैव टू बी एजुकेटेड. लड़कियों को एजुकेशन की जरूरत भी है. And it was a remarkable achievement, which is credited to her, and she had set up a mission. एक उन्होंने अपना एम बना लिया था, mission, that you think कि हाँ ये करना है तो करना है. Got it? If it has to be done, it has to be done. That is what. And with a mission in her mind, she had she went to Khedgaon. Khedgaon, it is near Pune, in 1898, and widows were there, poor women, all these were encouraged to become, काफी मतलब they were encouraged not only to become literate, कि पढ़ना लिखना ही नहीं है, but to be independent. Got it? खाली पढ़ लिख के उसके बाद घर में बैठना, it hardly makes any sense. Okay. They needed to be independent. और इनको independent बनाने के लिए they were taught variety, lot of skills were taught to them, like carpentry and running and a printing press. From carpentry, carpentry मतलब कारपेंटर का काम, लकड़ी का काम तो ये मेल मेंबर्स ही करते हैं ना. It is hardly done by the female. But she thought that female can also do this work. ऐसा क्या है? What is the big thing? What is the work that women cannot do? She all thought that, and then she encouraged these ladies to work hard, to work and learn something new and carry on their lives on their own. They need not to be dependent on anyone. Got it? So lot of skills were taught to them, from carpentry to running a printing press, and मतलब girls के लिए the activities that were not meant for girls. But Pandita Ramabai, she has made up her mind that women को वो educate करेंगी, and she will just see that women are self-dependent. किसी के ऊपर उनको अपना खर्चा वो खुद निकाल रही हैं. They are not, किसी के सामने हाथ नहीं फैला रहे हैं. Got it? That kind of a mindset Pandita Ramabai had. Then प्रिंटिंग प्रेस अभी हम आप अपने बुक में देखना, इन द पिक्चर इट इज शोन रमाबाई इज स्टिल एक्टिव टुडे. आज तक जो उन्होंने सोचा था वो उन्होंने आज तक किया. शी इज सच अ लेडी दैट शी थॉट ऑफ अ मिशन कि विमेन शुड बी सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट. शी थॉट अबाउट इट एंड शी हैज डन इट. तो 19th सेंचुरी में मेनी न्यू आइडियाज अबाउट एजुकेटिंग एंड लर्निंग इमर्ज्ड कि कुछ पढ़ना है, कुछ सीखना है. एंड लाइक अभी देखो एक एग्जाम्पल हम लोगों ने एक और डिस्कस किया था. वी डिस्कस वन मोर एग्जाम्पल कि मट्टी के जो बर्तन होते हैं ना, पॉट्स, मट्टी के जो बर्तन होते हैं, दैट इज मेड बाय मेल मेंबर्स ओनली. इन हिंदी इफ आई यूज द वर्ड कुम्हार, गॉट इट? कुम्हार बनाता है मट्टी के बर्तन. लेकिन अभी इसके पीछे की कहानी समझो. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दिस. कुम्हार जो उसका जो चक्का होता है जिसको वो चला के उसके ऊपर मट्टी रख के मट्टी को आकार देता है, ही गिव्स शेप. दैट व्हील एंड द मड, जो मट्टी है, जो चक्का है, ऑल दीज इट वॉज ऑल सीन एज पॉटर्स. कुम्हार का वो कहा जाता है. लेकिन उसकी जो तैयारी जो वुमेन करती है, द लेडी हु डज ऑल द प्रिपरेशंस, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? शी इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू बी एज अ लेडी हु हैज डन ऑल द वर्क. मट्टी का बर्तन बनाने में खाली हम मेल मेंबर्स का नाम लेते हैं, फीमेल का तो हम सोचते ही नहीं है. वी डोंट थिंक ऑफ द फीमेल. ओके, तो this was another example. Please understand कि the work, the job that is being done by women remains unrecognized. करती सारा वो लोग हैं, but there is hardly any recognition given to them. 19th century तक क्या हुआ? Lot of new ideas were coming up. People were thinking in a new manner. They were talking about new ideas, new ideology. And schools started becoming very common. मतलब the girls need to go to school, and the communities that had never learned reading and writing, कुछ लोग थे, कुछ groups थे जिन्होंने कभी भी पढ़ना नहीं सीखा था, who have never known about reading or writing, they started sending their children to school. खुद तो पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं, they are themselves not educated, but they started sending their children to school. That was the kind of awareness that was there. एक बार ही पढ़ लिख लेते हैं ना, little bit of education that is there. After that the system starts changing. Okay? And when they started sending the children to school, especially the girls, then there was lot of opposition. People opposed. People said, क्या कर रहे हो? How can you send your girls to school? School is a place which is not meant for girls. Girls का क्या काम है? घर में रहना है, खाना बनाना है, सफाई करनी है, बच्चे पालने हैं. लेकिन still what has happened? Many women and men, ठीक है, women were there, men were there who made efforts to open schools for girls. उन्होंने क्या किया? They had open schools for girls. They started working, they started looking for opportunities for girls. And women, they struggled to learn and to read and to write. Because education was not considered for girls. लेकिन the people who were becoming aware, the people who were getting a chance, the people who thought about development, they started sending the girls to the schools. This was a big change that had happened in the 19th century. Got it? So women can change the world. People started understanding, and when the child is born, सबसे पहला एजुकेशन जो बच्चों को मिलता है, किससे मिलता है? माँ से. So imagine if the mother is uneducated, अगर माँ ही को कुछ नहीं आता है तो कैसे होगा? How will the women, how will the child get education if the mother is uneducated? Got it? We need to understand this thing also. Then what happened? That because when the education had started at that time, most important thing that was there, reading and writing. लिखना भी है, पढ़ना भी है. Okay. And it was something that was very much not meant for women at all. Learning to read and write, मतलब लिखना and पढ़ना was not at all girls' matter. Some women, मतलब learning to read and write led some women to question the situation of women in society. कि क्या, how is it possible that girls are kept apart from reading and writing? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि लड़कियों को पढ़ने और लिखने नहीं दिया जाए? They wrote stories, they wrote letters, कहानियां लिखते थे, लेटर्स लिखते थे, ऑटोबायोग्राफीज लिखते थे. ठीक है? They started describing the qualities, the problems that they were facing, and they started writing autobiographies. अपनी कहानी लिखना शुरू किया. जब when they learned how to read and how to write, कैसे लिखना है, पढ़ना है, तो सबसे पहली चीज उन्होंने क्या की? They wrote their own stories. क्या लिखेंगे? अभी थोड़ी इतना, they are not so educated. They are not knowing so many things. So what they need to do, what they can do, for the first time, they had written stories, letters, autobiographies describing their own experience of inequality. किस तरह से उनके साथ भेदभाव वाला व्यवहार किया गया. तो whatever they were writing, in their writings, they also imagined new ways of thinking. नए नए तरीके से सोचना है. And living for both men and women. ठीक है? Thinking and living both has to be in a new manner. Both for women and men. औरतों को भी नए तरीके से सोचना है, men को भी. Times were changing. And literacy was increasing. लोग अब पढ़े लिख रहे थे. So the people who were getting educated, they wanted that the coming generations, the forthcoming forthcoming generations should know about them. आने वाले लोग उनके बारे में बातें करें, उनके बारे में जाने. तो एक तो हमने लक्ष्मी लाकड़ा के बारे में बात किया. Next we talked about Pandita Ramabai. Got it? Then we talked about the women who were there staying at home. उनके education के लिए arrangements were made. One lady we will be talking about is Rashashundari Devi. Got it? क्या नाम था? Please remember Rashashundari Devi. And Rashashundari Devi, she was born in West Bengal around 200 years ago. 200 साल पहले की बात है. And when she was 60 years old, Rashashundari Devi, जब वो 60 years old की हुई, तो she wrote her autobiography in Bangla. She was from Bengal, ना? तो she knew how to read and write Bengali. बांग्ला लिखना पढ़ना आता था उनको. So she has written her autobiography. इन्होंने अपनी कहानी लिखी. And what was the name of the book? Okay, it is in Bengali, तो थोड़ा सा Bengali accent में it was called as Amar Jibon. Amar Jibon. My life. Amar Jivan. ठीक है? मेरी जिंदगी. Amar Jibon is the Bengali version of this word मेरी जिंदगी, my life. उसका Bengali version is Amar Jivan. Got it? So she has written this autobiography. Indian women, ठीक है, जो Indian ladies थी, Indian women थी, they were not well educated ना. She was also not very well educated. उनको कभी भी स्कूल जाने का मौका नहीं मिला था, राष्ट्रसुंदरी देवी. लेकिन first autobiography that was written by an Indian woman. Indian औरतों को लिखना allowed नहीं था. They were not going to school. They were not taking education. तो राष्ट्रसुंदरी देवी, she was a housewife. फ्रॉम अ वेरी रिच फैमिली, मतलब सोचो शी वॉज फ्रॉम अ वेरी रिच फैमिली, लेकिन देखो कितनी पढ़ने की चाहत है, हाउ मच शी वॉन्टेड टू स्टडी, जस्ट लुक एट दैट, वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी. Got it? Very rich landlord's family she belonged to, and it was believed that if a woman will be learning, अगर वो लिखना पढ़ना सीख लेगी तो इससे क्या होगा, उसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो जाएगी. People used to talk like that. It was a culture, it was a talk in the town where people used to talk about it. That if a lady is educated, if a girl is educated and she knows how to read and write, तो उसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो जाएगी. She will become a widow. क्या सोच है? How can people think like that? But then people used to think like that. वो ऐसा ही सोचते थे. तो people said कि नहीं, लड़कियों को पढ़ना नहीं है, स्कूल नहीं जाना है, they don't have to go to school, they have to stay at home. So she has written this. She taught herself how to read and write, and छुप के in secret. Got it? Because जमींदारों के घर की औरतें हैं, उनको कुछ ज्यादा काम भी नहीं करना है. They don't have to work much. They have to just lot of servants are there at home. घर में काफी सारे नौकर चाकर हैं जो सारा काम कर रहे हैं. उनको उतना काम भी नहीं करना है, लेकिन उनको पढ़ाई भी नहीं करनी है. They don't have to. उनको क्या जरूरत है? Actually, the landlords and the rich people used to think कि girls को पढ़ा के क्या फायदा है? What is the use of girls? कब ultimately शादी करना है, बच्चे पैदा करना है, घर पे रहना है, so they should stay at home and just look after the household work. Why do they need to go out? तो छुप के इन्होंने क्या किया? लिखना पढ़ना सीखा. राशा सुंदरी देवी, जो इनका ऑटोबायोग्राफी है, द फर्स्ट एवर ऑटोबायोग्राफी, अमार जीवन, मेरी जिंदगी, मेरी लाइफ. तो शी टॉट हरसेल्फ हाउ टू रीड एंड राइट इन सीक्रेट. एंड उसके बाद उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस था, वॉट एवर वॉज हर एक्सपीरियंस, दैट इज वेरी वेल शेयर्ड हियर. She said, she is saying that I used to start working at dawn. एकदम सुबह, DAWN, DON, dawn वाला dawn नहीं, ठीक है? It's not that. It's dawn, DAWN. Got it? एकदम सुबह, जब रात खत्म हो रही होती है, सुबह चिड़ियों की चहचहाट होती है, at that time. And I would still be at it until well beyond midnight. मतलब आधी रात तक, इतना सुबह उठना है और आधी रात तक काम करना है. I had no rest in between. बीच में भी आराम करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता था. Got it? She's sharing her experience. She's writing her story. She's saying कि मेरे को कभी भी टाइम नहीं मिला अपने बारे में सोचने के लिए. And she was only 14 years old when she got married. Imagine at that time a child marriage was in practice. ना बाल विवाह होता था, child marriage was there. So I came to nurture a great longing. काफी सारे दिन तक I have to take care of myself. And कैसे मैंने सीखा? Nurture means how did I learn this? And how did I become literate? She said I would learn to read. पढ़ना कैसे है, लिखना कैसे है, ये मैंने खुद सीखा. Then I would read a religious manuscript. एक धर्म, by every house has got some रामायण और some महाभारत और some भगवद गीता, इस तरह की किताबें होती है. So she said that I got the religious manuscript, and she was sharing, I was unlucky. She's saying कि मैं बहुत unlucky थी that उन दिनों, in those days, women were not educated. औरतें जो है वो पढ़ी लिखी नहीं होती थी. Later, I began to resent my own thoughts. बोली बाद में फिर I started thinking. मैं फिर से अपनी सोच को ही rethink करना शुरू किया. She said, she used to sit in alone and she used to think. अकेले में बैठ के वो सोचा करती थी. Got it? राशा सुंदरी देवी, we are talking about. What is wrong with me? कि गलती क्या की है मैंने? Women do not read. औरतें पढ़ नहीं सकती हैं. How will I do it? फिर मैं कैसे करूं? When the women could not read, मैं कैसे करूं? Then I had a dream. फिर मैंने एक सपना देखा. ठीक है, क्या सपना देखा? I was reading the manuscript. Manuscript means handwritten book. Got it? Handwritten religious book. चैतन्य भागवत. ठीक है, चैतन्य इन बंगाल, जैसे कि देयर इज सो मेनी रिलीजियस गुरुज ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. हर जगह पे कोई ना कोई धर्म से रिलेटेड कोई गुरु होते हैं या कोई टीचर होते हैं हु इज गिविंग यू द नॉलेज ऑफ सम रिलीजन. शी इज सेइंग कि आई वाज रीडिंग द मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट. हैंड रिटन बुक था. उस मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट का नाम था चैतन्य भागवत. ओके, चैतन्य महाप्रभु उनके एक गुरु थे, एक गॉड जिनको बंगाल में बहुत माना जाता है. तो उनकी लाइफ पढ़ रही थी. बाद में लेटर इन द डे एज आई सैट कुकिंग इन द किचन, जब मैंने कुक करना शुरू किया, देन माय हस्बैंड वाज टॉकिंग टू माय एल्डेस्ट सन. शी हर्ड दैट हर हस्बैंड वाज टॉकिंग टू हर एल्डेस्ट सन, दैट ही इज सेइंग, विपिन, आई हैव लेफ्ट माय चैतन्य भागवत हियर. मैंने यहाँ पे अपनी किताब रखी थी. When I ask for it, bring it in. जब मैं मांगूंगा तो मुझे देना. कि मैंने अपनी किताब यहाँ रखी थी. When I talk, जब मैं मांगूंगा तो देना. He was telling to his elder son. तो he left the book there and went away. तब उनको वो किताब मिली. Otherwise तो she wouldn't have got the book also. चैतन्य भागवत जो उनको पढ़ने को मिला, it was by chance that her husband has left it there. So when the book had been taken inside, I secretly took out a page and hid it carefully. एक पेज पन्ना उसमें से फाड़ के उसको छुपा के रख दिया. एंड इट वॉज अ जॉब हाइडिंग इट, फॉर नोबडी मस्ट फाइंड इट इन माई हैंड्स. ठीक है, उसको छुपा के रखना भी एक बहुत बड़ा काम था. बिकॉज दे वेर द जमींदारों के घर की औरतें थी. एवरीबडी वुड सी देम, एवरीबडी वुड अंडरस्टैंड, ट्राई टू थिंक कि ये क्या कर रही हैं, क्यों उठाया है. तो मतलब किसी भी चीज को छुपा के रखना वॉज अ बिग टास्क. Now, nobody should see that she is having that Chaitanya Bhagavad in her hand. So, the eldest son was practicing his alphabets at that time. वो क ख ग घ लिखने का मतलब he was learning, he was doing his writing practice, alphabets, A, B, C, D, O, I, E, क ख ग घ, all this. तो I hid one of them as well. जो अल्फाबेट्स वो पढ़ रहा था, वो अल्फाबेट्स का भी एक पेज मैंने निकाल के रखा. वो बुक का भी एक पेज निकाल के रखा, मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट चैतन्य भागवत का. एट टाइम्स आई हिड वन ऑफ देम, एज एट टाइम्स आई वेंट ओवर दैट ट्राइंग टू मैच लेटर्स. और उसके बाद अल्फाबेट्स जो हैं, शी यूज टू मैच दोस अल्फाबेट्स विथ द बुक्स अल्फाबेट्स. कि क यहाँ लिखा हुआ है तो क इज हियर, एंड इस क का मतलब अगर ये है तो यहाँ पे क के साथ अगर हम ठी को लगाएंगे तो क ठिन हो जाएगा. गॉट इट? इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट. क ठिन अगर पढ़ना है तो क यहाँ लगाया, ठ यहाँ लगाया तो क ठिन हो गया. गॉट इट? तो शी सेइंग कि आई ऑल्सो ट्राई टू मैच द वर्ड्स विथ दोस. आई वुड हियर इन द कोर्स ऑफ, कि पूरे दिन में कुछ ना कुछ लोग बातें करते रहते थे, मैं वो भी सुनती थी. And I would hear that and I would match with those words that are mentioned there. So I learned how to read. पहले मैंने पढ़ना सीखा. Got it? Rasha Sundari Devi first read to, she learned how to read. पढ़ना कैसे है, she learned that. And then she learned alphabets. क ख ग घ A B C D. तो रश सुंदरी देवी वॉज एबल टू रीड द चैतन्य भागवत. अब क्या हुआ, वो जो है चैतन्य भागवत पढ़ना चाह रही थी. तो थ्रू हर ओन राइटिंग, जो उन्होंने लिखा था, व्हाट शी हैड रिटन, शी ऑल्सो गेव द वर्ल्ड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रीड अबाउट विमेन्स लाइव्स. कि औरतें किस तरह से रहती हैं छुप छुप के. हाउ द विमेन स्टे बाय हाइडिंग देमसेल्व्स इन दोज डेज. शी वांटेड to show the world that. She wrote about her everyday life, डेली की जिंदगी के बारे में इन्होंने लिखा. And there were days when she did not have a moment's rest, no time even to sit down and eat. बैठ के खाना खाने की भी फुर्सत नहीं थी. तो उसमें हाउ डिड शी मैनेज टू लर्न रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग, बहुत बड़ा काम है. गॉट इट? दिस वॉज द स्टोरी ऑफ रसशुंदरी देवी. प्लीज practice it, children. 2-3 pictures hai, I'll just show you those pictures. Got it?
So dear students, we have seen just now that we were discussing, I mean previously we have discussed about Ramabai, Pandita Ramabai, isn't it? I always just wanted to show you that why she was called as Pandita. And for remember Khedgaon near Pune in 1898. I mean, imagine the condition of the widow and the poor women was really bad at that time. But Pandita Ramabai had taken the initiative and she has really supported these ladies. Okay, imagine the condition of the widows. उस समय में विडोज की हालत बहुत ख़राब थी. There was nobody to fight for the cause of widows. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to tell you, that if somebody has taken some initiative, we must remember that and we must know how much of effort has gone in that. Got it? We need to understand that also. देखो एक चीज़ जो मैं आपको बताना चाह रही थी, one thing that I wanted to say, from carpentry to running a printing press, skills were taught to girls. Not usually it was taught to girls. आज तक भी carpenters you will hardly find any girl carpenter, isn't it? Carpenter जब भी आप बुलाओगे तो it is always women carpenter, the men carpenters. So some jobs are considered to be for male members only. Got it? अभी इसको समझो. Rashashundari Devi. Okay. 200 years ago she was born. Just see, from a landlord's family she was there, and the kind of problems she has faced. Amar Jeevan. Got it? My life. So she has talked about her own life. I have told you the story. Try to remember the story. मैं बार बार इसलिए बोल रही हूँ because it's very inspiring. बहुत इससे आपको शिक्षा मिलेगी, बहुत ताकत मिलेगी इस तरह की लेडीज़ के बारे में पता करके. Okay? Another thing that is there is कि what I wanted to point out is that reading and writing was like, some people had to question in the society. Society में they were questioning कि क्या सच में reading and writing is meant for everyone. क्या सबको reading and writing करनी चाहिए? Okay? Then stories were there, letters, autobiographies. All these were describing the experiences of inequality. किस तरह से the women have faced inequality in the society, and they have faced that and they have come out of that unequal treatment. Okay, so whatever they have written, they imagined, they always used to think that thinking and living for both new ways of thinking and living was meant for both men and women. नया तरीका आ रहा था, पुराने समय बदल रहे थे. So in these new times, what all new things could be thought about and how it can be practiced, that is what we need to understand. इस चीज़ को समझने की हमको बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. And how she was working the whole day. का नाम याद रखना है. I just wanted to point out the name of the book also. Chaitanya Bhagvat, Life of a Saint. Okay. Then nobody can find her आई मीन व्हेन शी इज़ हाइडिंग समथिंग, कुछ छुपा रहे हैं, तो इस चीज़ का बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता था कि किसी के नज़र में ना पड़ जाए. ओके, आई मीन मैं बार बार इस चीज़ को इसलिए बता रही हूँ कि देयर लाइफ वॉज रियली टफ. बहुत कठिन थी इनकी ज़िंदगी. ओके, एंड the children were helping the mothers also, but still the kind of support and love that the mothers needed वो उनको नहीं मिल पा रहा था. Okay, the elder son I think would have tried to teach the mother, लेकिन उसको पता भी नहीं होगा ना कि मम्मी सच में पढ़ना चाहती हैं कि नहीं पढ़ना चाहती हैं. That is also one of the major features. Got it? तो एक तो ये, and अभी जो नेक्स्ट स्टोरी दैट वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इज अबाउट दिस अनदर लेडी. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, रुकैया शेखावत हुसैन. रुकैया शेखावत हुसैन. ओके, इनके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू.